Today in this video, we are going to be trading the top losers section in this video, right? So as you can see, make sure you stick to the end of this video. So I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step guide. But before we start, make sure you also subscribe to this channel. As you can see, this is 191 subscribers. Our main goal is for me to take this channel from 101 subscribers to 1000 subscribers. All right, so over here we are in the loser section, right? So once you get to this loser section, so what you'll be looking for the token that's falling below, maybe starting from 6%, from 10% to 6% below, right? So don't go for the token that has fallen to the highest peak, like the ones that has from 30% to 50%. So that's it. So in this case, I'm going to pick any token of my choice, right? So which you can see over here. So once you pick a token like this, so the next thing you do is for you to turn your 4 hours time frame so that you can see what the market is doing, right? All right. So this actually means that the bearish are still gaining momentum in the market, right? So which you can see over here. So right now we are going to go to our 15 minutes time frame. So this is where we can find a place where we can place a trade. All right, the next thing for you to do now is for you to turn your Bollinger Band on and make sure that your MACD is also on also. All right, the primary use of this indicator is to show us when the band hits the price, indicates that we should prepare for a upward or downward move regardless of the time frame. So that's it. Whenever the market hits the upper band, so it believes the market is going to be a downtrend, and whenever the market reverses and hits the lower band, so it's believed that the market is going to be a uptrend. Now the second indicator is the MACD. So the MACD is a technical indicator that tells us when the market is about to shift from a bearish trend to a bullish trend. So it is a momentum indicator. So it consists with some bars called histogram, right? So this is what we call the histogram. This tick that you're seeing green here, this red, is called the histogram. So when this histogram curve up, so it means that the market are in downtrend. When the green histogram curve this way, it means that the market is going to experience a momentum shift in the market. So that's that. When the bearish or the sellers are in control of the market and this histogram start printing a light red, so what this actually means is that the bearish trend line will start to lose strength, or the sellers will start to lose strength in the market, and the bulls will start to gain momentum in the market, or you can call it the buyers. So once you see the MACD line crosses the signal line and a green histogram trying to form here, so this actually means that the bulls is going to gain momentum in the market, or the buyers are going to gain momentum in the market. So after the whole of this, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait for a reversal candlestick, right? So once I get this reversal candlestick, that's when I'm going to look for a sell position, right? So as you can see over here, so I'm also going to exercise a little patience over here and wait for that reversal candlestick, right? So let's wait for it over here. So as you can see another green candlestick, right? So there is a reversal candlestick here. So I'm going to open a sell right now. So let me go ahead and open this sell trade over here, right? So as you can see over here, what I'm going to use is 18% of my account, and also I'm going to open short, right? So I'm using 32x, right, leverage in the account. So okay, let me go ahead and place the trade. So over here, so you see immediately I open the trade, I'm on profit, so which you can see. So I'll go ahead and set my stop loss, that is TP and S level. So let me say I'm using 6%. So if I use 6%, I'm going to risk 0.01% of my account, that is the take profit. And let me say if I'm using like 50% as stop loss in my account, so let me see what I'm going to lose in this account. So right, so I'm going to lose minus 0.1045. so let's see if okay, so in this one they didn't allow me to modify it, so I'm just going to close everything manual. Okay, so guys, this is how you can trade the loser section in MEXC exchange. Thank you guys for staying with me to the end of this video.